Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing? With my head on the time, you go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now.
Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felisa, your host for this amazing video. So I am in summer mode. I am not in full blast summer mode because I haven't bought out my pineapples yet, but I am in summer mode. Now when I bring out the pineapples, you're gonna know Felisa is in full summer mode over there in H-Town. So if you're not a member of Homebody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. I will truly appreciate that. So I've shown you the brief tour of my living room, and I moved on to my family room, and I've added a few summer touches such as flamingos and a few tropical plants and a couple of, you know, ceramic palm trees and whatnot. I didn't change out my pillows, but if you're interested in hearing the details on where the items came from, just stick around and I'll give you that information. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Okay, loves, let's get this detailed briefing done. The sun is going down on me. Today's Sunday. I'm going to try to post this video today. It may be 8, 9, 10 o'clock, but I'm going to get this video posted. So let's start with the water feature. The water feature is my most favorite feature in this space. It's from Amazon. I'll place a link down below to that. The wall art is from Kirkland's. My drapes are from Amazon. Lamps are from Home Goods. The wall mirror is from Z Gallery. My pillows, the 2 end pillows here, is from Decor. The alligator-like pillows are from Z Gallery. The other pillows are from Home Goods. My coffee and end tables are from Rooms to Go, as well as my sofas. They are from Rooms to Go. My flamingo here on this table is actually from Z Gallery. Actually, the vases are from Z Gallery as well. The picks are from Hobby Lobby. The candle, I made that candle. We had a ladies' day and we went to a candle making workshop, and I actually made that candle. My Ming boxes are from Z Gallery. The ottomans are from Ross. My area rug is an indoor-outdoor rug. It's from Sam's Warehouse. My wall art over on this wall is from Home Goods. All my ginger jars are from Home Goods. I'm going to pan on around here. The plant that you see in that corner is actually from Ross. The plant stand is from CB2. My flamingo, my silver flamingos are from Home Goods. My bookshelves are from CB2. The decor on my bookshelves, the top vase is from Home Goods. This flamingo here is from Amazon. This is from Hobby Lobby. Candles are from Amazon. My bookends from Z Gallery. Ming boxes and vase. Bottom vase is actually from Z Gallery. My mirror fireplace is from Wayfair. This is actually a projector screen. I'll share more details of the screen with you guys in another video, as well as my projector. And that's all that I have in this space. It seems like it's a lot, but it's really not a lot. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.